Okay, so for tonight's dinner, we have some deliciously seasoned, 6-time seasoned drumsticks, and we are gonna put them in the new GoWise air fryer. So let's go ahead and see how we start this guy up. Let's see, I think we push this, and so I got that. I think we do this here. Oh yeah. What I'll do is I will put the chicken in, lay it out kind of nicely like. I think I'll season these other pieces on the other side here. All right, and these are the seasonings that I use. So yeah, this should. So I went ahead and re-seasoned the rest of the chicken, or the other side of the chicken. So let's go ahead and put this back in here, like that. The unit pops on. Turn the power on. I think all we do is hit the chicken button up here, and then that's it. I think it'll run for about 15 minutes, and we'll come back and check it out and see what it looks like when it's done. So let's see. All right, so we're at 2 minutes left. So, all right, so for those of you that don't know, from what I understand, air frying is supposed to be the new healthy thing. So no grease. You don't put any grease or anything in here. Just put the food in on the tray, pop it in, set it, and forget it. So let's see what we got. You know, my Montclair Mounties, you know, we getting older, you know, all of y'all that graduated in 86 and earlier, and even some of y'all after that, hey, we got to keep it healthy, got to eat right, got to exercise. So we're going to see how this chicken tastes when it comes out of here. From what I understand, it's supposed to be really crispy, just as if it was, you know, fried in a frying pan, but with no grease, just an air fryer. Picked this one up last week, and it came a couple days ago. So looking forward to seeing it. So let's see what we got here. All right, so it just stopped. All right, so it's off. Let's see, I think we do this here. Something, oh, actually just pull it out. Oh yes. Oh wow, look at that. Let's put this right on the stove. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, that looks lovely. Yes, that looks lovely. Air fried with no grease. Wow. All right, yeah, I'll let y'all know how this is the way it looks. It is fully cooked. This chicken is done. It looks super tender. Boy, that's hot. I can't even piece off. I broke a piece off with a fork. Tasted it. It's delicious. It's juicy. It's tender. It's cooked all the way through. The air fryer is a major, major, major go. I would tell anyone to get one of these air fryers. They are the bomb. Yeah, 15 minutes, or no, 17 minutes. And the chicken was done, came out perfectly juicy, tender, and flavorful. Later.